What's up, bros and hoes? Got a weekend in the garage, putting some turn signals on the old T7. And, well, I was at it. Last time I was out, I heard this sickening crunch, and then my bike stalled. So, I thought I'd show you guys your kickstand safety switch. Now, look. My APX guard has a kickstand safety switch guard. Yamaha gave you this lovely piece to protect your kickstand safety switch. You can see how absolutely excellent it is. Junk. My safety switch had a failure to communicate with the fuel injection system. Therefore, the fuel injection system turned off until I looped the system when I cut it and put the two wires together, and that got me home. So guys, do yourself a favor, take this shit off your bike, throw it the fuck out, and don't be stuck in the woods. Luckily I know what I'm doing. Somebody who doesn't would be calling for a tow truck. Have a great day. Hope you got out to ride this weekend.